Okay, on today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and change the engine air filter on an Acura ILX 2016. So the first thing you need to do is open up the hood. It's right there. You just pull on that and you should open the hood. So after you get the hood open, right in the middle there's some kind of a latch. Get your finger down like that. Focus that right there. You just push it in and then push that up. So as you can see, that lever is right there. I just push that to the left to open it. And now when you get this open, there's a little thing here. You just get that out. Just push. After you do that, you just get it right there, as you can see. That's it. The next thing you have to do is you have to remove these. There's 4 screws, one here, one here, one there. I don't know if you could see that or not. And there's one right there as well. All of these have to be removed. The tool that you'll need is a 8mm nut remover. Let me get that out. 8mm. Here it is. Here's 8mm. So it's a hex bit, as you can see. Just gonna put it here, and you just remove it basically. It's going to be a little bit tight, so you're going to have to use a little bit of force to get it out. And it doesn't come out all the way. So the air filter is housed in this container right here, this housing, plastic housing. And right next to it, that's a fuse box. You don't want to open that. Not for this, not for changing your engine filter. Okay, now it's removed. Next thing you do is you just pull it up after it's loose. Make sure all the screws are loose. move it up. And then in here, so you pull it up by this tab right here, as you can see, this tab. I'm going to replace the filter with a new one. And this is a new filter. It goes in exactly this way. Just make sure it's in there nice and flush, just like that. Put the lugs back in. So I got the first one back in. Just screw them back in, and that's it. With this, basically. And get the other side. I like to get it in diagonally. Make sure it's in properly. Two. Nice and firm, don't over tighten it. And that's it. Just want to check something out before I finish this off. Okay, everything seems to be nice and flush. And then just remove the latch. Which is right here. Pick up the latch here. Get it back in there. Push down. And that's it. And this is the old filter. You have to replace this every, I think, 12,000 miles. My car has more than 12,000 miles, so this thing is pretty dirty. If you have any questions, you could leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.